Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a jumping frog. So I'll grab my square, I'll fold it in half on the diagonal. Then I'll fold this in half again. Unfold, then take the two corners and fold these towards the middle crease. From here, I'll flip over to the other side and I'll take the outside edges, allowing the little triangles to come out. I'll fold these towards that center crease. Now with the lower half, I'll fold this over like so. So I'll cover up half of what's underneath, but I'll have that triangle poking out from underneath. Then do a mountain fold on the back legs. Flip over to the other side and then fold the eyes, and then you're all good to go. Hi, it's Isabella from Bizzi Art here. If you enjoyed this video or you want to learn more about origami, or even if you're looking for origami paper to add to your library at home, come check out my website. I've put it in the link in the description down below. Anyway, happy folding and enjoy your origami. Bye.